welcome to my Math 104 introduction. My name is Sierra Taylor Baird, and this is a little bit about me. I want to start off with talking about why I'm taking technical mathematics. That is because I think it is the best math to be applied in everyday use, and also because it is a requirement for my general sciences associate's degree. So yeah, I am a 29-year-old. I am originally from Southern California in the LA and Orange County area, but moved to Alaska about 10 years ago, except for like a year and a half to 2 year span where my husband and I briefly lived in Newfoundland, Canada, which, if you're unfamiliar with, is an island that is the most eastern point in North America. We actually cross-country road tripped there with our dog. Took about 2 weeks of driving, a couple like 8 to 12 hours of driving a day, and then camping or staying at hotels at night. So that was a really fun adventure. I would say after that experience of cross-country road tripping there and back, that's probably one of my hobbies now. I enjoy traveling, shooting, as you can see in the picture there on the left, board games, and just spending time with my family. One of my favorite hobbies is gardening. This is all stuff that I grew. On the left is my raspberry bush. I also have a salmonberry bush, a picture of my zucchinis there, crab apples from a couple trees I have in my yard, and then the last picture there is of some lettuce, cucumbers, carrots. I don't quite remember all what was in that box, but me and my husband did build those planter boxes ourselves, which is something I'm really proud of. I also like to can the excess food that we grow. Just one of the ways we try to be a little bit more sustainable. We also go fishing and get moose meat from family, and just try to, have a little less impact on the environment. So yeah, that's one of my favorite hobbies. My other favorite hobby is hiking, which, is seasonal here in Alaska. On the left picture there, I'm sure a lot of you recognize those stairs. That's Flat Top, which is the most hiked in all of Alaska, I believe I read somewhere. In the middle there is a picture of me in St. John's, Newfoundland, Canada. And on the right is a picture of me, my husband, and our dog, Harley, at Eklutna. And then a little bit about my family. My husband and I got married in 2021. We had a very small, intimate wedding with just close friends and family. That's a picture of us on our wedding day in the middle there. My husband, Jeff, is an archaeologist. He works for a small company in Alaska that does surveying for development. And then that is our son, Orion, who is 7 months old. I am currently a stay-at-home mom and student, but was previously a pharmacy technician. I also worked in the banking field for 5 years and really enjoyed that as well. So I just decided to go to school for science because I think it's interesting, and I don't really know what I'll end up doing. But I wanted to go to school to show my son that you can do anything you set your mind to, even as a little bit older of an adult, going back to school, that you can obtain your degree. Yeah. And then here is a couple pictures of my pets. On the left, there's me, my dog Harley, at the